Hey guys, there was never a Seafoam recall. On July 26, 2020, the title Do Not Use Seafoam or STP oil recall, we need to do a corrective video just on this. Now, you don't want to miss out on this one because this is regarding some very important information. We tried to include some of the information or all the information possible on the video, but we need to clear some things up because there's been a lot of misinformation and I don't want to be a part of that. So without further ado, let's jump into this one. I took a few notes just to make sure there's no issues. As you may know, every country has package labeling laws that are specific to that country. For example, if a product is sold in the United States, it must comply with the U.S. label laws. If a product is sold in Canada, it must comply with Canada label laws. Seafoam sells products compliant with U.S. law to U.S. distributors. Likewise, Seafoam sells products compliant with Canada law to Canada distributors. Now, take note, distributors are not authorized to export Seafoam products outside the country in which was intended for resale. Now, regarding the previous video and the circumstances of the situation with that video, we'll go ahead and clear that up as well. First off, this took place in Canada in December of 2011, over some 10 years ago. At that time, upon information and belief, an unknown U.S. distributor acquired Seafoam packaged for sale in the U.S. and sold it to Walmart in Canada. Unfortunately, at some point thereafter, Walmart Canada was made aware of the product that was packaged and intended for sale only in the U.S. So as soon as Walmart was made aware of this, after receiving that information, Walmart Canada immediately took steps to comply with Canada label laws. However, Walmart actions were not related to the safety of the Seafoam for use by humans or in engines. Importantly to note, no recall was ever issued by Seafoam. See, there was never a problem with the product. As a matter of fact, if you didn't understand that well enough, it was just simply a labeling issue, not anything to do with the actual product itself. So they definitely did their job making a great product, as they always do. Now, for those that use Seafoam, you know it's safe to use, no issue at all. Follow manufacturer's recommendations. However, for the doubters, I can definitely say it's no snake oil. I've had some success with it. Yes, it's not a miracle. It's not going to fix an engine that's just completely busted or broken, or but it could help in some circumstances. Now, I've done plenty of videos testing it and shown success. Not always a perfect fix, but what do you expect? You can't really beat it for what you gain in quality for such a low price. That's my personal opinion. Please share what you think, good or bad. Drop down in the comments. But don't forget, there was no issue of a recall from Seafoam for their product. There was no problem with the product. Thanks for watching Nate's Interactive Auto.